Good morning dear students. Today's this video we will discuss about PCB design. Okay, so let's start today's this video without any further ado. So PCB stand for printed circuit board design. Okay, and you can see these are the PCB. Actually, what is PCB layout software? Those software through which we will make our PCB, we will create our PCB are called PCB layout software. Okay, there are many PCB design software applications available today at a wide variety of price points. Freeware to multi-server based package, professional commonly use expensive Windows based package such as Condense, whereas hobbyists commonly use freeware Linux Windows applications such as CAD soft, Agile PCB on ROMs, deep trash. Okay, and these softwares can be many types like CAD soft, AI, KiCad, and AutoCAD, Altium designer. Okay, so these are the basic PCB design software through which we will create our PCB and schematic also. So the schematic we will skip this topic now. We will discuss after about this topic. What is PCB? So what is the definition of PCB? Actually, what is called PCB? So PCB stands for printed circuit board. It is flat board made of insulating material, usually fiberglass, on which electronic components like resistor, capacitor, inductor, these are what? These are electronic components are mounted and connected using copper tracks instead of wires. Okay, so what is PCB? PCB is a board. In simple word, PCB is a board where we mount our electronic components like resistor, capacitor, inductor using copper tracks instead wires. That is called PCB. A printed circuit board is a board used to mechanically support and electrically connect electronic component using tracks made of copper. Are you getting my point? PCB is a board used to mechanically support and electrically connect electronic components using tracks made of copper. This is the example. Firstly, we make our temporary diagram of PCB, and this is what schematic, and this is what our PCB. After drawing schematic, we will update this into our PCB with the help of PCB design software. So these are the examples of PCB. This is PCB, this is a PCB also. Okay, you can see green line. This is what? This is copper track, and this is what? Our PCB, and this is what? Our electronic component IC. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of electric component are mounted on the PCB by the help of copper tracks. They are mounted on a board with the help of copper tracks. So this is what? Our PCB. And now second topic is how many types of PCB. So PCB are classified on the number of layers, flexibility, material application. Number of layers, it means on the basis of number of layers, how many types of PCB. On the basis of flexibility, how many types of PCB. On the basis of material or application, how many types of PCB. So first we will discuss how many types of PCB. So how many types of PCB based on the number of layers? There are 3 types of PCB based on the number of layers: single layer PCB, double layer PCB, and multi-layer PCB. So these types are based on the number of layers. First is single layer PCB. So what is single layer PCB? Single layer PCB has only one conductive layer. It means in single layer PCB has only one layer used in simple electronic device. They are used for simple circuit with favor components and connections. Example include calculator, simple sensor, and remote controls. So these equipments, in these equipments, single layer PCB is used, and single side PCBs are cost effective due to their simplicity. These are not very expensive. It means these are quite cheap in cost due to their simplicity. So you can see this is what single layer PCB. You got my meaning? What is single layer PCB? Single layer PCB has one layer. Okay, I think are you getting my point? So this is our single layer PCB, and second is double layer PCB. In double layer PCB has two layers. It's in simple. Double layer PCB has two conductive copper layer, top and bottom. These two layers have in double layer PCB. Used in more complex circuit, these PCBs have conductive layers on both sides of the substrate, allowing for more complex circuit design. Connection between the two sides are made through plated through holes or vias. They are commonly used in every electronic device like printers, audio equipments, and some computers. So in these equipments, double layer PCB is used. Double side PCBs often increase design flexibility compared to single side boards. So you can see these are double layer PCB. What is double layer PCB? Double layer PCB has two conductive copper layer. Okay, and third is multi-layer PCB. In multi-layer PCB has three or more conductive layers. Layer are separated by insulating used in advanced electronic like computer, smartphones. So in these equipments multi-layer PCB is used. And what is multi-layer PCB? Multi-layer PCB, that PCB has a PCB that has three or more conductive layers. It's called multi-layer PCB. They are used for every complex circuit requiring high density and functionality. Example include laptops PCB is called multi-layer PCB. Mobile phone PCB is also multi-layer PCB, and high performance computing device. So multi-layer PCBs offer the highest level of design complexity and routing capabilities. The number of layers in a multi-layer PCB can range from a few to over 100. They are interconnecting using vias through holes, blind and buried. So you can see these are what multi-layer PCB. And what is the meaning of multi-layer PCB? A PCB that has three or more conductive layers is called multi-layer PCB. So there are three types of PCB based on the flexibility: rigid PCB, flexible PCB, and sorry, it is typing mistake, rigid flex PCB. Okay, what is rigid PCB? This PCB is very hard. Rigid PCB is very hard, and it cannot be bent. It means we cannot bend the rigid PCB. Example, computers motherboard PCB. So computers motherboard PCB is very, very hard. Second is flexible PCB. It can be bent. It means this PCB is not hard. This PCB is not hard. For example, camera, mobile screen connections. Cameras PCB is not hard, and this PCB, cameras PCB is called flexible PCB. And this PCB is made insulating plastic. And third is rigid flex PCB. This PCB is combination of rigid PCB and flex PCB. It is used in very compact designs, aerospace, military device. Now third is based on the application, how many types of PCB: FR4 PCB, metal core PCB, OCB, high frequency PCB, HDI PCB, high density. You can take screenshot these notes. That's all in today's video. We will meet soon in the next video with a new topic, with a new content. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and like it. Okay.